What's up, investors? Ken here from Dyslexic Investor, and we're probably going to look at the most extreme Wall Street bets I have ever seen, and I think it beats most of any of the posts that are in the Wall Street Bets forum. It's hard to confirm, but this legend, and he goes by WSB God, which is the Wall Street Bets logo, is basically his monstrous run buying Tesla months ago after its quarter here. Before its quarter here and after its quarter here, buying way down the road leaps in like at the $1,000 call price, way before this even all happened. So let's go ahead and recap. There's going to be about 5 or 6 different posts that we're going to be going by, and we're going to be going straightly from what he posted on Reddit, or she, I'm not 100% sure, the individual, but let's go ahead with the first post here. So this was posted nearly a month ago here, and we're gonna click on this guy. He didn't even post it in Wall Street Bets yet. So he said he bought a call in Tesla for $450, expiring. This is again in 2021 though. This is not even the following year. And you could see, where was the post? He paid only 95 cents for it, okay? $95 for it, and he bought 47 of them. So basically, what is that, like 40 some odd K-ish? Let's see here, we're gonna go into the post itself. Yeah, 45K, and this is the funny thing is, like, put this guy in Wall Street Bets because options are gambling. This is before WSB God posted in Wall Street Bets before. So, and this didn't get that much attraction, which is kind of strange because he posted this under the Tesla Investors Club, which doesn't have that many subscribers or members as Wall Street Bets. Let's see, I don't think he ever replies back to anything. He just posts and this doesn't say anything back. Anyway, so that was the first sign of what he was doing, was buying these really far off leaps. So a leap is basically, so if we go to the trading here on Tesla, you can see he was going all the way up to 2021 of January. So you can see all these options, and he was going way down here. So if I wanted to buy the 1800 right now, it's going to cost me around a little over $2,000 to get that right now, because it's already run up. Like, he bought this one, those was like $350, $400. Even before that, like, this is fantastic on how he was able to make these crazy returns. And then the story continues. Same time, about a month ago, this is the his calls nearly rocketed up even higher. Showing basically the same post of the previous one, but just showing it, I believe, why is it not loading? This is the same post, but I think he now finally put it in Wall Street Bets. So that was, then he caught on what he needs to do. And then he says, Elon Musk, take me to Mars, sorry. Where his account, he bought contracts, he had 446 of them on 320, but he bought the $1,000 call. I'm not exactly sure what there's no way he paid $2 for it. Wish to give me the date when he purchased this. It doesn't give you the date, so I think there's a way in here. So we can go, let's go trade. He did, what was it? Alright, so we figured out I was in the wrong month. He did the weeklies, not the monthlies. So as you can see here, he bought the $1,000 call in Tesla for $320. And then you can see the options price here. So basically, this doesn't do it justice. You can basically see it doesn't do it very much justice. So it's basically like 20 cents beginning of the month. Like on 17th of January, and it slowly rose up to $4, and then exploded in February to all the way to $152. So $21 to $150,000. That's crazy. A single option went from $21 again. Put this in your mind: $21 to $152,000. Wow. In less than a month. That is absolutely crazy. Wow. It's hard for me to fathom that, honestly. And he bought it at like $2.22, wow. It looks like. So this must have been $2.22. So let me zoom in here. Probably bought it. Could have bought it anywhere in this region here, like towards probably the 27th of January, which makes sense. The 27th to the end of the month of January, and it just rocketed higher. Literally buying a $1,000 call, the call for $1,000 strike price. Wow, this guy is a legend. Wow. Anyway, so that is the first. This is not. We're not over. We're not done with this guy. This guy kept on rolling and rolling and rolling. Let's go back to bring up. Oh, sorry, not. So he basically bought majority of those options like right about here. It looks like when it kind of pulled back here to like when it was like 550. So he was saying in literally 2 months time it's going to double to $1,000 call. That's extremely bullish, right? I'm trying to. Then he did this post, which got a lot more traffic. So his 450 call he initially had that was expiring in 2021, which was average cost of $300, made his account in one day 1.1 million. I can't believe that. He made 1.1 million, okay, on that call. And this doesn't get this gets better, guys. This gets so much better. Just hang on for a ride. And then he posted this when that $1,000 call we just looked at made him more money, well over a couple more million, okay? Because that call exploded. That call went well over $100. Again, the call was like he bought it for like $2 or something like that. So $2 is basically like $200. You just have to add 2 zeros to it. So he had, again, the guy's trolling. Like, he bought 420 contracts. Come on, man. And that's absolutely ridiculous. This unrealized gains right here is of $4.3 million. So that was taken on, again, there's no data. So 3 days ago. So that was basically up here when it probably hit 900. And he probably made, that's when that call went from like the 250 to well over, yeah, I guess the $100 strike or the $1,000 strike price that expired 2 months from now. It just went through the roof, raking in just the money. And but listen, Linda, that's not it. There's more to come. This is the last one where people thought he was dead, but he ended up having his account value at $8 million. $8 million. Okay. that is, people are calling out in Wall Street Bets, you better prove this. This is just unreal, like crazy. It doesn't break down on his, it just shows his overall account value. You can see here of being, I don't even know, like this is probably like 100,000 or something like that over his account, but then this Tesla just exploded higher to 8 million. Absolutely ridiculous. Those options must have gone parabolic. It's not even parabolic, they literally went to the moon. So that is just the full-on fledged power of the options pricing that you can see here. I can't even believe it. Like, where's Tesla going from today? I don't know. Like, the charts are just going to be too hard to keep a hold of. I'm just going to be putting alerts on here just in case of anything crazy comes out and about. Like, I'm just going to kind of keep it in this range. But this is just crazy on how fast this went up. But just wanted to share this story with everyone at Wall Street Bets. I'll put all the articles that WSB God posted in the description below. Again, guys, this is Ken from the Dyslexic Investor. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great weekend. Peace.